The Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Western Air Command undertook a nighttime combat mission on a Rafale fighter jet at one of India's forward air bases. Indian Air Force Chief met with Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and congratulated her on winning a fresh mandate. Former Indian Air Force Chief has confirmed the possession of classified synthetic aperture radar imagery that supports India's success in striking terror training camps deep inside Pakistan during the Balakot airstrikes. Indian Army has inducted 46-meter modular bridge, developed by DRDO and produced by Larsen & Toubro. Indian Army conducted an integrated battle exercise involving T-90 tanks and Rudra attack helicopters at Mahajan Field Firing Range. L&T Defense is working on TEER-NG next-generation maneuverable recoverable aerial target that has 45-minute endurance, a range of 100 kilometers and maximum altitude of 8,000 meters. Exercise MILAN 2024 concluded today with closing ceremony of sea phase on board indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. Russia has announced that it has tested its S-500 Prometheus air defense system to evaluate its ability to engage hypersonic targets, and the system proved its efficiency in both detecting and eliminating such advanced hypersonic targets. Russia has said that the capability isn't merely restricted to conventional hypersonic missiles, but it also covers futuristic hypersonic missiles and intercontinental ballistic missile warheads. Russia had offered the S-500 system to India, and experts have said that China is rapidly advancing its hypersonic missile arsenal, and India must insist on the S-500 missile system, as it can handle the incoming threat better. Spain is sending its top defense official Amparo Valcárcel to India next month, in an effort to push forward the $5.27 billion submarine deal, in which Navantia has emerged as the frontrunner. Spain has also informed that it is ready for the full transfer of its next-generation AIP technology to India with its stealth submarines, and has offered the S80 Plus submarine at a much lower cost compared to Germany. Indian firm IG Drones has bagged an order from the Defense Ministry to supply Skyhawk high-altitude drones for high-quality surveillance in extreme temperatures and difficult terrains. The Skyhawk are enabled with 5G capability, and it can carry 10 kilograms payload, has a speed of 21 meters per second and an endurance of around 5 hours. Solar Industries will be ready with 150 km range Maheshwarastra 1 and 300 km range Maheshwarastra 2 in the coming months, and it will be mass-produced after evaluation trials. It will cost only 8 crore rupees, which is significantly less as compared to 40 crore rupees BrahMos missile. DRDO officials have revealed that the Mahindra new WAP variant was developed after receiving valuable feedback from the Indian Army, and this second-generation WAP is more compact and maneuverable than the ToT variant. It has received 600 horsepower engine with high-altitude optimization. It has also undergone weight optimization to improve fuel efficiency and performance, as well as additional protective measures to safeguard personnel against ATGM threats. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.